High clean, hygiene and cleanliness each and every day, a challenge for any vacuum cleaner. That's why Miele has invented High Clean 3D efficiency dust bags. They last 20% longer than previous High Clean dust bags. But how do they work? During vacuum cleaning, a stream of air passes through the dust bag. Thanks to 3D technology, the bag inflates at once and its entire volume is available to store dust. Miele's High Clean 3D efficiency dust bags have specially designed air guides which distribute dust evenly throughout the bag and serve as impact protection. As a result, sharp objects hit the walls of the dust bag with reduced velocity. The dust bag's new soft structure is particularly permeable to air. This saves energy and is ideal for vacuum cleaners with a low wattage. At the same time, more than 99.9% of all fine dust particles are held back by the Miele Air Clean system. And the dust bag allows the passage of air for longer, ensuring powerful airflow. Replacing the Miele High Clean dust bag is simple and hygienic because the dust bag self-seals on removal. Dust and bacteria are not re-released into the room, and the dust compartment remains clean. The color-coded bag collar assists in repurchasing the correct type of High Clean dust bag for your Miele vacuum cleaner. The Miele HEPA Air Clean filter further enhances filtration. It even filters out the finest of dust particles and is ideal for allergy sufferers. As a result, the air expelled from the machine is cleaner than ambient room air. Only the regular replacement of all filters can guarantee that cleaning performance remains as on the day of purchase. The time strip indicates the right time. The Miele Air Clean system lasts 20% longer, guarantees top-class efficiency, and filters out more than 99.9% of dust. Miele Original for 100% performance.